Let me show y'all how niggas be acting when they hear that song come in the club. They be like, hey, turn up, nigga. Turn up, nigga. You better turn up, nigga. Turn up, nigga. Throw that ass, hold up, bitch. Throw that ass, hold up, bitch. Throw that ass, hold up, bitch. Throw that ass. Throw that ass. They be clapping and shit. Throw that ass. They be looking at the hoe like, throw that ass, hold up, bitch. Throw that ass. Turn up, throw that ass. Nigga be getting worked like a motherfucker. Nigga be in that hoe wiggling this shit like, damn, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing in this hoe. Like, damn, that bitch really worked your ass. Nigga, she gave you some works. Nigga, she gave you the meat lovers, nigga. She gave you every topping in the book, and your ass was, oh shit, what the fuck? Bro, niggas be weak as fuck when they be in the club, dog. Niggas be pulling out their ones and shit. Nigga, you threw about 20 ones in the club, bro. You a weak ass nigga. You can't even buy that bitch a drink. You's a cheap ass nigga, but you can spend $20 though. Up in the air throwing some ones, but you can't buy a drink for that bitch. That shit pitiful. And it's pitiful though, cause niggas be cheap as fuck at the club, dog. They be like, man, nigga, it's a $20 cover. What? $20 what? Y'all told me this bitch was free before 11. Well, them promoters lied to your bitch ass, nigga. It's $20 at the door. And they be looking at they niggas, they be outside the door and just be like, hey, I thought you told me that was like free before 11. Shit, nigga, that's why I seen on Twitter, my nigga. I came in this whole empty-handed, dog. Hey, but hey, can you hold me a dub? Nigga, what? You broke as fuck and you at the club? That's the last place your ass needs to be, nigga. Your ass needs to be at the house. Sleep on Twitter or trying to fill out some applications or something, my nigga. You ain't got $20 in your pocket. You don't even need to be at the club. Because after the club, y'all go get something to eat, you got to depend on one of your niggas to buy you something to eat. And what if that nigga don't want to buy you nothing to eat? Now that's fucked up. See, that's when you find out who's real and who's fake and who really got your back when you need them. Because some niggas be like, man, shit, nigga, hey, shit, you just have to walk up downtown, my nigga. I ain't got $20 to spare your ass. It's the small shit niggas do to hold they niggas. Niggas will hold they niggas for some pussy. That's some fucked up ass shit. It's crazy how niggas react to pussy. Niggas act like they ain't never got pussy in their life, dog. And it's crazy because niggas be acting like they be doing everything, like they be murdering shit. Let me give y'all an example. Nigga be in that hoe and just be like, who on your ass, man? Who shit is this? Say my name, bitch. The female just be like, really? Nigga, you doing all this motion and ain't even making me say a word or making me scream. Like, these niggas are weak as fuck, dog. I'm sorry to say, but half y'all niggas are weak as fuck. Going to the strip club just to watch. I can understand if you go to the strip club just to eat food. Cause, hey, that food be good than a motherfucker. Hey, just remember, I ain't shit, though. Follow me on Twitter at John_Wells. Follow me or swallow me. And I ain't probably fucked your bitch.